Hey, English learners. Kimberly here, and welcome to day 26 of the Learn to Speak English Without Fear 33-day challenge. Today, we're taking full control of the restaurant experience in English. Yesterday, on day 25, you learned how to read a menu, order drinks, order food, answer common waiter questions, and to ask for food to go. So, now you know how to order, but real confidence goes further than that. Because what happens when you want to change something, or you have dietary restrictions, or something is wrong with your order? That's when many learners freeze. Today, you'll learn how to speak up calmly, politely, and confidently. If you've ever kept silent at a restaurant, even when something wasn't right with your order, tap that like button right now and comment in the chat. And share this with someone who stays silent when there's a problem when their food arrives. It has onions. You hate onions. Or it's too spicy. Or it's not what you ordered. You notice the problem, but you say nothing. You smile and say thank you, and you eat it anyway, and you feel frustrated. This is what we call the silent sufferer trap. It's not about being rude or demanding. It's about not knowing the right words to say or how to phrase them. And today we fix that. Here's something that's very important to understand. In American restaurants, asking a question is normal. Changing food is normal. And fixing mistakes is normal. You're not being rude. You're not being difficult. You're just being clear, polite in English. Now, you can modify your order before or during your ordering. Now, some common modification phrases are things like no onions, please, or no cheese, please, or on the side, please, or and can I get this without, say, ketchup? You can ask for substitutions like, can I get salad instead of the fries? Or can I substitute rice for the vegetables? You can ask to modify the way the food is cooked, like, can I get this grilled instead of fried? Or can you make it mild instead of spicy? For example, I'll have the burger, no onions and no tomatoes, please. Or can I get this salad instead of the fries? Clear, polite, perfect English. Now, if you have dietary needs, say it clearly. Some useful phrases are, I'm a vegetarian, or I'm a vegan, I'm allergic to nuts. Does this have dairy in it? Is this gluten free? For example, I'm allergic to shrimp. Can this be made without shrimp? This is not advanced English. This is important English. If something goes wrong, stay calm. There are some very common phrases that you can use, and they are, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. Or, I ordered chicken, but this is beef. This is a little cold. Could I get a new one, please? Oh, I asked for no onions, and this has onions on it. For example, you could say, excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered this without cheese. I'm lactose free, and cheese will make me sick if I eat it. Polite, clear, effective, honest. Sometimes waiters will interrupt you. That's normal. They might say, is this for here to go? Meaning, do you want to eat it here in the restaurant or do you want to take it home? Common answers, I'd like to eat it here, please. Or I'd like to get it to go, please. They might ask you, is there anything else or is that all? Meaning, do you want to order something else? Do you want more of something? And the answers will be simply, that's all, thank you, or yes, that's it. They might say, do you want fries or salad? Just choose. Fries, please. Salad, please. No full sentences are necessary here. Now, in many restaurants, soda, tea, and coffee have free refills. And you can just ask, can I get a refill on this? Or can I have another Coke, please? Very common, very useful. And when you're done eating, then it's time to ask for the check. Try saying things like, excuse me, check, please. Or could we have the check, please? Or we'd like separate checks, please. Or we'd like to split the check if you want to cut it right down the middle. And when you're paying, you can say things like, can I pay with a card? Or can we pay separately? Or can I tap? And it's always polite to let them know if you were pleased with your restaurant experience. Like saying something like, everything was great, thank you. Or the food was delicious. Or you've been very helpful this evening, thank you. When a restaurant is really busy, sometimes the wait staff will speak very quickly. And it is always okay to say things like, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Can you say that one more time slowly? Or, sorry, I'm still learning English and I didn't understand what you just said. Don't say, I don't speak English. That's not true. I'm still learning to speak English is true. No shame, no embarrassment. Now, I want you to practice today modifying one dish, fixing one mistake, and answering a question from a waiter and asking for a refill or the check. You don't need perfect English to get good service. Remember, it's their job to see that you get what you want and need. Your voice matters. Your preferences matter. And now you know how to speak up. Tomorrow on day 27, we'll handle another real life situation, asking for directions and help in public places. Real life, real English. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless.